So you want to gather all your ingredients: sugar, self-raising flour, cocoa powder, vanilla, chocolate, an egg, milk, vegetable and a mug. You're going to start by putting 4 tablespoons of flour right into the bottom of your mug. And on top of that, 4 tablespoons of caster sugar. Then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And give that all a good mix. I'm going to crack an egg into it next and get rid of the shell, give the hands a wee rinse, and then give that all a good mix. It's going to still look dry at this stage. You can see it's quite hard to mix, but that's okay. Just get it as mixed in as you can and then move on to adding the milk. That is 3 tablespoons of milk going in, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a couple of drops, 1 or 2 drops of vanilla extract. And then I had some chocolate chips, so I added those in as well. You can add whatever you like and give it all a really, really good mix until it's smooth and shiny, and then you're ready to cook it. Pop it into the microwave on high for 1.5 minutes. After that, have a wee look at it. If it still looks quite wet, give it another 30 seconds. Just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't boil over the top of the mug. But after that time, you will be ready to eat it. That is my finished cake. So that has worked, and I am quite happy with that. It definitely looks like a cake. We're going to do a taste test and see what it tastes like. But first, I'm going to put some blueberries on top. Got some fresh blueberries here. I always like fruit with cakes. Oh, that's quite a nice texture. Okay. More sugar.